welcome you all to Kanan Talks. And the wait is over, I would say, because I've waited for almost like 2 months, right, for my PUIG windscreen. So I will be showing you guys, right, in how exactly we're gonna install the PUIG windscreen. Please excuse me for the noise outside. I know there's some construction work is happening. Okay, so I'm going to just show you all. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you. I'm sure that you have seen the unboxing video of this PUIG windscreen. So here you go. This is a beauty. So I'm going to install this beauty right over here. All right. So just follow me. We're doing this for the first time. I usually take this, any kind of installation. I usually do the installations outside, but just let me try it. If I fail, I don't know. So these are the caps, right? So usually they come with the caps, so I'm just removing the caps first. I don't think there should be a big problem for me to actually remove this and also install. I hope so. I'm not quite sure about it. Ouch. So now we have taken these two clamps right off the windscreen. So these are two clamps which are going to right here. Right. So right here. So we're going to fix the clamps like this. Here one goes here, one goes here, one goes here. So let's see how it works. I don't know, I might be a failure too. So let's remove the number plate. I still have no idea, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to fix the number plate in the front. I hope I will just fix it. I had Powtronics in my bike, and I'm going to do a separate video on the Powtronics, the pros and the cons of Powtronics. So this is the stock windscreen, right? Okay, I think so. This will do good. So let's try to fix the other one too. Okay, so this is the right one. I don't know. looks to be challenging for me now. I did a mistake. This is supposed to go up and this is supposed to come down. Let me actually find out which is right and which is left. It's quite confusing. I'm just thinking, see, now this is left open, right? So I'm just thinking, can't I just put that? For me, this particular space is actually kind of empty. I don't know, it like kind of looks a little odd. Right? Don't you see? Just see. This looks a little odd. Is this how it's gonna be? I'm not quite sure. This particular part, if you look at it, this looks a little odd. So is it okay to be odd? I don't know. So is this how it's gonna be? To check, is there any way I can actually keep this and that? Let me try. To be frank, I don't know, right? I'm just doing a lot of R&D over here. Looks like actually, I think so. I did a mistake. We can actually keep that and this, right? If I'm not wrong. And it would be great if I could do that. Maybe the experts do keep the original over there and then put the what's that, the thing on the top. Maybe I didn't know that. Let's place it. Yes, we can. There's no doubt. So we can still keep the original on this one, on the stock windscreen on this one. On top of it, we can still use the brackets or the, just say, I don't know what they call. Unfortunately, I don't know the mechanical term, but we can definitely do that. Because I was just wondering, like, it looks so, what do you say, naked. I know my bike is a naked bike, but this kind of looked too naked for me. Somehow, to some extent, I have done something. The final piece where the number plate goes in. It's all done. So now, moment of truth. Here you go. Isn't she beautiful? Okay people, thank you so much for watching. Alright, see you in the next video. I will be talking about Powertronic and also the pros and the cons, so pros and what do you say? I will be talking about the Powertronics, the advantages and disadvantages. Thank you, Rios. Have a great one. Bye bye.